friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Mabel from Hoppers, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top of our page, and we're going to draw on a curved line from left to right. Let's come directly underneath, drawing in an arch line to finish off the nose. Moving in towards the top now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for that highlight. And then we're just going to color in our nose black. Now continuing this down, we're just going to draw in a small straight line. On the left-hand side, rounding this out, we're going to curve this over and in. And then we're going to do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's draw on the bottom of the mouth, drawing in a nice big arch line. We'll step underneath, adding in a small detailed line, adding a small curved line. Now for the teeth, in the middle, we're going to bring this line down, curving that back up on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right as we step up. Let's close this off with a curved line underneath for the tongue. And now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to come over on the left. We're going to round this out, curving this around, flattening that out as we come in on the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's start on the edge, and we're going to round this out, curving this over and through on the top. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Just making sure this line blends in together on the bottom. Now let's thicken this line up, coloring it in black. Let's draw in the pupil. So starting on this bottom line on the inside, we're going to curve this around, drawing in a circle, tucking that in towards the mouth. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's add in some highlights now. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a circle. And then we'll come down on a diagonal from that highlight, creating our second one, making this one smaller. Now let's color in our eye black. Let's move up for the eyebrows, stepping in. We're going to curve this line around and through to the center. And then from that point, we're just going to round this out, curving this over, tucking that back in. Let's draw on the face now. So stepping underneath for the chin, we're just going to round this out, curving that over and up. Let's continue to close off the face here. So moving right above, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to leave a little bit of space on the left for the hair now, so we're going to curve this up, tucking that back in. Moving beside that, extending this further out, tugging that down. And then again, one more time, arching this across, tucking that back in. On the right, we're going to continue to extend this down. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the left, ending the same height. Let's draw in the cheek. So we're just going to draw in the hair here on the corner, curving that around and in. Again, moving down, replicating that, curving this down and back up. We're going to do this 2 more times, curving this around and in. And then again, just curving this down and back up. We'll continue to close off the chin. So from that corner, we're just going to curve this down and in to the center, connecting that together. And now let's draw on the little ears on the side. So we're just going to draw in a small half circle on the left. We'll do the exact same thing across on the right. On the top here, we're going to round this out, curving that over. Let's come down now. So we're going to draw in the body. So we'll draw in a little tuft of hair on the side as we come down. We'll do the exact same thing moving through. Now from here, we're going to kind of round this out. So we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. Let's move down again, curving this out and in. We're going to round this out for the leg now. So we're going to tuck this in, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back up. And this is going to include the claws. So we'll frame those in so it looks a little better. So we're going to come up and we're going to curve this down. And we're going to curve this down again, right in the center. So we just want to make sure we leave enough room for 3 curved lines. And then we'll do the exact same thing moving through one more time. Now from the top here, from that point, we're just going to curve this line down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the body here with a curved line. Now let's move up for the arms. So stepping out, we're going to round this out, curving this in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to leave a gap now. Coming up, rounding that out, curving that across. Now let's close this off. So we're going to draw in 3 curved lines in the opposite direction as we move down. And now let's draw in the hands. So on the top, we're going to round this out, curving this over and in. Moving down in the center, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we move through on the bottom. Lastly, we're just going to draw in the tail. So starting on the top here, moving down. On the right, we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking this over and in towards the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Mabel from Hoppers. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.